Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Here we are in Yokohama, Japan for the Mooneyes Hot Rod Show. Stick around. All right, guys, here we are. Mooneyes, my first time.
Yes.
Thank you for inviting me.
Of course.
So, as a first-time visitor, what should I look for? What's your favorite part about the show?
Oh my God, everything though. It's so hard to choose because there's so many great bikes, great cars, even the vendors are so much fun. So hard to choose them.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
my favorite part is seeing you, as always, yes. So I am looking forward to tomorrow where we just drink it in.
Oh yeah.
Drink it in. Well, this is Emmy. If you guys don't know her, check her out. She runs all the social media
I do, yes.
for Mooneyes and does a great job. You're awesome at it. So thank you. Yep, high five.
Woo.
Woo. Nailed it. Go check them out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mooneyes in action. Make sure you can subscribe it.
All right, babe. So that Tribisa, what do you think about it?
I think it's my favorite.
Your favorite? It's hard to pick a favorite in the room with all of these amazing motorcycles. But that's the goal. We have to pick one motorcycle, and this one's at the top of our list. It's pretty rad. All right, here we are, guys, on setup day at the Mooneyes Hot Rod Show. And my good friend, he watches the YouTube channel all the way from Indonesia.
Yes.
So this is Mouthy. Mouthy, your first time to Japan too.
Yes, this is the first time I went to Yokohama.
What is your experience? And this is just setup day.
Yes.
How do you feel about this?
I mean, it was very awesome. It's very different.
All right, Bray, here we are.
We're here.
The official day of chaos is about to ensue.
Alright.
Nerves, a lot, but we got some cool bikes out here. You didn't get the behind the scenes from yesterday, so let me tell you the short little story of it. Show up at the warehouse, everybody has to start their bikes before we load them onto a truck. I pull the clutch cable in and pop goes the weasel, and we have no clutch. So luckily we have a lot of cool friends who are able to jump on board, get us squared away, get the bike started up, get it over here, everything's ready to go. And we got cool people like Makoto from Mooneyes right here who helped get the bike running. So thank you, sir, for all of the stuff. Are you excited for today?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be busy, right?
Yep.
All right.
It's gonna be, yes.
So from your point of view, what is your favorite part about today's event?
It's gonna be riding. Yeah.
Yeah?
Riding show. Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be such a great time. I'm so excited. So thank you for having us. Yes. And don't work too hard today.
Oh, I won't.
You
yeah, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it.
All right, guys, let's go check out some stuff.
What's up, Weems? Seth, we do this every time.
We do. Well, every time we're in Japan together.
Every time for the first time.
Every time.
Oh my God, what do you like? It's hard to explain to anybody who's never been here. But like the highlights, riding in, all of that stuff is amazing. But to you, how does it feel being here in this moment, riding in, experiencing everything that this show is, man?
Relief. Lots of relief.
Exactly.
Yep.
The stress that I went through yesterday morning was immediately relieved when I seen your bike fire off. I was like, hell yeah, at least one Triumph's gonna make it down through there. So yeah, it's super cool, man. I want to thank you for pushing me to build the best bike I could, because I knew you were bringing it. And
Well, how amazing is it that we both ended up here? Dude, we couldn't have planned it.
the stars never could have aligned.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks now.
All right.
so many people, he's selling t-shirts. Thank you, Seth. Hey, man. Hey,
Dude,
be great, man.
well done, man.
Yes. All right, folks, so it may look a little different in this video, but there are many cultural awareness things that you have to practice while in Japan. And while recording, I want to make sure that I am respectful to the Japanese culture. So I've stepped to the side and just want to take a moment to talk to you guys and let you know the only way to experience this show is to make a trip to Yokohama, Japan for the event, because it is mind-blowing. The amount of work that these people put into for a one-day show you can't even comprehend it. So I just want to say thank you to Mooneyes for having me here this weekend and be a part of this show. I tell you what, I walk up on stage here shortly and I present my pick, and it was not an easy one at all. Out of all the shows I've been to across the nation, this show here in Yokohama, Japan has more Triumphs, more British bikes, and more everything, like even the cool stuff that you won't see anywhere else. So make it a point to come out here, check out the show. I'm exhausted. Tons of people. It takes forever to walk around this place. It is huge. You will see everything you want. So hang out just shortly a little bit, guys, and you're going to be able to see what bike that I chose wins the award. So hang out. All right, Mouthy, you picked an amazing motorcycle yesterday. That blue S&S Knucklehead Harley, awesome. Now you've been today walking around. Anything else that you like?
Well, I think the other bike that I like is from Iowa Motorcycles.
Right.
I think it's quite similar to my personal taste. Like it's clean, simple, like you said, not overdone,
Right.
not over the top.
Gotcha.
So I think that's just my personal preference, I would say.
Okay. Well, are you hanging out for a little bit?
I think so.
Here in 10 minutes, I will reveal my pick.
Okay.
My favorite bike in all of Yokohama. So I want you to be there to cheer them on.
Definitely.
Very good. All right, cool. Let's hang out, guys. Listen, folks, I tell you, you cannot capture everything here at Mooneyes. I just gave you a little glimpse into what this experience is like from a first-person point of view. For you to experience, you need to get here. You need to experience it. So much to take in. It's incredible that this is a one-day event every year, and they take the time to put this much work into it. But with that, we're going to wrap up the video here today. We thank you guys for hanging out. If you're new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up and turn those notifications on and let everyone know what's going right here at Weems Motor Co.